If your Zenith-Stromberg acting like a leaky toilet, you're going to spend a lot of time trying to adjust this carburetor, but it smells and engine shakes like mad and you don't know what to do with your carburetor. You want to check your flow chamber first. Patrick's Garage. If your carburetor hesitates, what you want to check first, of course, valve of your flow chamber, How to check blow inside? Oh no, will be better to check this valve with vacuum, I checked my carburetors even with disassembling the bottom part of my carburetors, just supplying vacuum. You can connect by a small hose and vacuum not going to lie. Look at this. They look the same, right? Ding dong, we're wrong. Look closer. Designation different. They're not interchangeable. This is for B18, B20 engine. This is for Volvo 240 series, this designation you can see 1.75 and this 2.00. This is inner diameter of these valves, This is for chamber. Even if they look exactly the same, especially from long distance, but inside they're absolutely different. If you're going to install this instead of this, your mixture will be more rich and this mixture will be wrong. You don't want to change one for another. They are absolutely different for different carburetors. This shouldn't be bent. Special regulating washers. How to regulate this valve under this valve, you can add these washers, as recommends Zenith-Stromberg, to regulate this valve. But also, one method, we can go easier way. You can just bend this tongue, not this connection between two floats. If it will be destroyed, and you don't want to bend them that way, only this tongue, and it shouldn't be a spread deformation on this metal which connected two floats, because you never will be able to adjust proper position of this float that way. So you can bend only this small tongue, you see this mark. This is recommendations for Volvo B20 engine carburetor. Proper position for this float, carburetor upside down, and you want to regulate with your ruler proper position of your float. Latest type, this is white and plastic float, and these recommendations especially for this type of float. Recommendations for Volvo B18. You see, this is black color. Float, different design of float, different regulation measurements should be. Let's look right at the bottom of our carburetor. What is this? It looks like drain plug, but no. Here in 60s was adjustable main jet. As you see now, here pressed in, and this is hole in this particular carburetor saved for the access of special, dealer tools to regulate this pressed in main jet. But later carburetors 240 series Volvo, they were without this hole, because they were top adjustable carburetors by position of measuring needle. But here you see this is just hole and just plug. No, this is greatest opportunity to install adjustable main jet for this carburetor, which non-adjustable from earlier 70s, they were non-adjustable, to say exactly, they were adjustable, but only with special dealer tools. And they are also really expensive to buy, only for adjusting one carburetor. So this is whole, you should pay close attention for condition of this ring. This ring should be made out of good quality rubber. Here you see this is special rubber for this plug. Will be better to replace and install new rubber ring. They are available. New plastic plug should be installed. Of course, you want to reuse made out of brass plug. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.